Testing.
Alright, so welcome everybody, my name is Fallen. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install Ray's Minimap for Minecraft on the 1.7.4 version. So the other day, me and my friend ran into a problem installing mods because it changed. A lot of things have changed for it, and I couldn't find any good tutorials, and they weren't detailed, so I'm going to give you guys the most detailed tutorial I can. So let's get started here. So, for the Ray's Minimap, you're going to go ahead and link in the description here, the breezecoast.com. And you're going to click that. Come to the Ray's Minimap. The 1.7.4 is under development, but for the we're going to do this for 1.7.2. I mean, there's still the same thing. You could run this on the same thing and play on the same servers as 1.7.4. But after this is done, you can do it the exact same way. So just repeat the process, or do the same process as I am doing, and it'll be as simple as that. And I'll describe how to do it if you're running on 1.7.4 watching this. Alright, so once you download your WinRAR file, you're going to open this, and you're going to get a class file and a folder. You're going to go ahead and minimize that. Now come into Minecraft here, and you're going to run Minecraft. It's going to open up, and you're going to let it boot for if you already have played it already, good. If not, whatever. So what you're going to do is come over here and go to Edit Profile. You're going to come over here where it says User Release, and you're going to look for 1.7.2, Save Profile, and then click Play. Now, if you're doing it for 1.7.4, you do it the same way I just did, but instead of 1.7.2, you're going to use 1.7.4. So your Minecraft's going to open up. You're going to get this. Once this is done, you just exit out. Alright, so now come to the start, and you're going to type in app, or the %, app, data, %. You're going to get your roaming folder, and you're going to open this. Now you're going to find your Minecraft folder. I think it's .minecraft. Now you're going to get these files right here. Now you're going to see a versions file. Alright, so now let's say you're using 1.7.4, or let's just go for 1.7.2 right now. And we can actually... Alright, so you have this 1.7.2 folder or 1.7.4, whichever one you're on. What you're going to do is you're going to right click, copy, and then you're going to paste this into here so it's a copied folder. On the copied folder, you're going to rename this, and whatever you're going to do, you're going to delete it where it says 1.7.2 or 1.7.4, and you're going to type in REI. Now, like I said, if you have 1.7.4, you just, instead of using 1.7.2 Ray, you're going to use 1.7.4 Ray as this folder. So, come in here, and you're going to get these two files. If you're on 1.7.2, it'll look like this. If you're on 1.7.4, it'll be 1.7.4, and then 1.7.4.json file, or JSON file, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so you're going to see this, or you're going to rename all of these, so 1.7.2. If you're using 1.7.2, make it look like I am. And if you're on 1.7.4, do the same thing. This will just be different. So it'll be 1.7.4 Ray instead of my 1.7.2 Ray. So now you're going to come over here where the JSON file is, and you can either open it like this. You're going to get this file type helper. You're going to go to open this file using software which is already installed, and then select a program full of list installed programs. You're going to open it with Notepad. Now you're going to see this right here. It's going to say ID, and since I'm running on 1.7.2, mine will say this. Now if you're running on 1.7.4, it's going to say that. So what you're going to do is come over here, and just like you did for this file and put the Ray at the end of it, you're going to take whatever version you have and then put Ray, just like that. Simple as this. It's not really that complicated. And like I said, if you're using 1.7.4, just make sure this says 1.7.4 and then Ray. Alright, so now you can click save, exit out of this file. Alright, so now you're supposed to have WinRAR installed. If you do, good. The links will be in the description anyways if you're going to download that. So, alright, so what I did is right click on this little executable jar file. If you look at the type, it says it's an executable jar file. So you right click, open with WinRAR. I don't know why the hell mine's like this, but it's whatever. Alright, so now you're going to want to have your raised minimap on like one side and then your jar file on the other side. Alright, so first off and foremost, take these two files, the write NSK file folder and the ba.class folder. Alright, so take these two files and drag it into here. You're going to get this little archive name and parameters. Sorry. Click OK. Alright, so now you're going to see this folder called meta-inf or INF. Delete that folder. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, you do. Alright, so now you can go ahead and close all that and get rid of this folder. Alright, so come to the Minecraft launcher and run that. It's going to load up. Alright, now what you're going to do is come here to edit profile in your launcher. If you have a cracked version, I don't. So it kind of looks similar in some launchers. But try to go to your edit profile little tab where it says use version. Find your 1.7.2 or 1.7.2 Ray. Save your profile and then click play. Now, if you did it on 1.7.4, the 1.7.2 Ray on mine will say 1.7.4 Ray for you. So, if you're using that, if you're using 1.7.4, same method, just choose 1.7.4 Ray when you choose edit your profile or when you're editing your profile. So, let's go to single player world and start up. Show you guys that it's working and it's legit, and I'm not just fucking pulling your leg. Alright guys, so there you have it. The mini-map does work. If you click X, it zooms into the map. It's kind of laggy since I'm using Camtasia Studio, but there's the map big. And if you click M, you can change the settings and properties to your raised mini-map. But thank you guys for watching. My name is Fallen. Please do not forget to comment. Also, subscribe if you haven't already, and also share this video to your friends that might need help installing raised minimap. I'll probably have some other mods, tutorials, installation tutorials available soon. I'll keep you guys posted. Just stay tuned, subscribe to keep posted on that. I'll see you guys in a little bit.